set it on the table there, Alanna, just sideways, so it can just kind of sit there and we can look at it? Okay, now first of all, Zach, you built the box portion of it, right?
Uh-huh.
How did you do that?
Nails, wood saw.
No, I know, but like, what's it made out of? How did you put it together? Explain it to us a little bit.
A 1x4 for the rim.
Okay.
I forget what my dad called this.
It's like veneer, I think is what it's called.
Also wood, I think, isn't it?
I think it's like an open.
I have no idea what the neck's made out of.
Okay, well let's talk about the box. We'll get to Alanna on the neck. Why did you decide to make a hollow box, Zach, instead of a completely solid one?
I was hoping that it would make a louder sound, but doesn't.
Does it? Well, I think it does. I think you just don't have one to compare it to, but I think it probably does. Alanna, you made the neck, right?
Mm-hmm.
How did you do that?
Well, what my dad did was, I think the first or second try he ruined it, but the 8th try, I think, him and I just took a 2x4. We spray painted the nails, and we stained the neck, this part. What we did here was we obviously stained it a little maple color. It's kind of a maple color, and him and I basically just built the back of it. You know, the back and front and nails and stuff. There's not really much to do. Yeah.
Okay. And then explain to us how you guys put the strings on there.
Well, what we did, mostly Zach, what he did was he tightened each one.
Okay.
Basically, what you did was you screwed some of them. Basically, what you did was, sorry, I messed up today. What you can do is you could,
Listen, just tell me.
Yeah.
What are the strings made out of? Let's start there.
Fishing line.
Fishing line is. Do you guys know how is it all the same fishing line?
Yes.
It's all the same fishing line, and it was like 10 pound, right? So it was pretty small. And then, so really, show me on the neck there, Zach, if you would. Where does each fishing line go to? Which screw?
This one goes to this screw. The middle one goes to that screw, and this one goes to this screw.
So each one is a different length, basically, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So why do you guys think up there? Why would the length of the string make different sounds?
Because, well, the top one makes kind of a loud sound.
Why don't you play all three for us, Alanna?
Alright.
So it goes from highest on the top
Yep.
to lowest on the bottom,
Yep.
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Now your top one was actually the longest one, though, wasn't it?
Yep.
Which is weird, isn't it, guys? I don't know.
Yeah. Well, no.
Yeah. Your bottom one was your lowest one, right? Was that right?
Yes.
Play them again, Alanna.
Alright, hang on a second.
Don't touch them with your fingers. Just play them. Well, start at the top and go down. Okay. So, class, can you explain to me, even though their bottom string is the shortest, it's the lowest. Why do you think that?
Because I think it's tighter than the one on the top, and the top one's looser.
Okay, so we actually have two different things controlling pitch, don't we? We have different lengths. We have different lengths of string, and we also have different tensions, right? So both of those things make a big difference. The length, remember, makes it vibrate slower, but what would tension do you think? If you have a really tense, Alanna, what do you think? If you have a really tense, if you wire it really tight, what would happen?
It would break.
Well then, yeah, but what if it didn't break, before it breaks?
Zach, you got anything?
What do you think, Zach? If you have a really tight wire, why would it make a higher sound?
Because guess in here that it would be able to.
That's my computer. It's alright. Go ahead.
Okay. It would be able to vibrate faster.
That's exactly right. The tighter the string, the faster it can go back and forth. When you have a loose string, it makes these big long waves, and that makes it vibrate slower. Good, guys. So we're going to play a couple different songs, I think. Alanna, you're going to play one, right? And Zach, you're going to play one, or you're just going to play one?
Yeah.
Okay. What song are you going to play?
Me, I'm playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Okay. Do you need to sit down or can you play right there?
I'm probably gonna sit.
Okay. Let's hear it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Hang
Now don't sing. I don't want you to sing. I just want you to play it, okay?
Oh, crud.
Play it first and then you can sing.
I'm not good at playing this Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I'm good at singing it. That's the best I can do.
Okay. Well, let's sing it this time then.
Alright. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh, crud.
How?
Okay.
How I wonder.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle.